Hey YouTube Nation, it's the boy Kai's Monkey 206 here. Today we do a continuation of Pokemon Heart Gold version. Last episode we came to challenge the gym leader of this city. I can't pronounce the name of the city for some reason. So hope you leave a like, leave a comment, and let's get on with this video. You are busy with the gym leader? Morty, the gym leader, has gone to the burnt tower. Sorry, but you have to leave. Alright, old man. Jeez. That was rude. Burned tower. Hey, are those? My name is Estine. I'm on the trail of a Pokemon named Suicune. And you are Kai. Glad to meet you. I heard rumors that Suicune is here, so I came to take a look. Take a look at the basement through to the hole in the floor. There, Suicune is down there. I wish I could go downstairs, but I don't know if it. But I know it would run away from me. I know. I've tried it many times. There seems to be more. There seems to be more than meets the eye with you. That is true. Oh. What's that? Excuse me. Perfect. My name is Morty. I'm the Akrutech gym leader. Because of my old friend, Houston, here on the trail of Suicune, I decided to investigate the burn tower. Akrutech has a legend about these legendary Pokemon, Suicune, Entei, and Raikou. As a gym leader of Akrutech, I must have proper understanding of it. Oh, guess who it is? Oh, it's you. You asked me to catch the legendary dogs to make yourself look strong. That's only a dream. You see, legendary Pokemon suits a trainer like me, who has sworn to become a strong trainer. Battle with T-Rocket Grunts is just right for you. Kai versus Korea. Battle of rival. So I guess. We're too high level for you, man. I mean, look at his team. Look at him move. Swift. Oh. And whoa. He lived with 1 HP. Well, poison gonna take him out, so. Yep. So bad. Alright. Let's go for Thunder Shock. Crit. Perfect. Magnemite. That sounds like a job for Quilava. Lava Plume. And just like that, we beat rival Korean. I'm not fighting with another week at ever. I didn't even get the chance to finish what he was saying. But with that, Quilava's evolving. Your Quilava evolved into Typhlosion. Whatever. You would never be able to catch a legendary Pokemon anyway. Let's take on this trainer. Here's why I didn't talk during that conversation, because she always says the same thing. So Let's take this guy on. What? Togepi's evolving. All right. Alright, let's make our way downstairs to the 3 legendary dogs. Did you see it? Suicune raced like a blur right in front of my eyes. I've been chasing Suicune for almost 10 years, but I've never been this close. I almost choked up. By the way, it was clear to me that Suicune took notice of your presence. 6 legendaries are said to come to people only when they recognize their talents. Perhaps I should be more aggressive towards Suicune. Anyway, Kai. I can't talk today. Anyway, Kai, we'll meet again. Yeah, man, we'll meet again. Can't go for that item right now. Let's go heal up and then go challenge the gym. Yo, champion in the making. The trainers use ghost-type Pokemon at will. A ghost is like a shade. Sorry, a shade of phantom. It won't do any good to use physical strength alone. Well, thanks for the advice, man. Oh man. Let me. Alright, let's do. Let's switch. Yes, Johto's evolving. Whoa! That's awesome! So half our team is already evolved. Majority of the team. Just have Rocky. Let's look on this next trainer. Should I think to get rid of metronome. Wow. And for us, let's see. Alright, let's take on Morty. It said that a rainbow-hued Pokemon will come down to appear for a truly powerful trainer. I believe that tale, so I've secretly trained all my life. As a result, I can see now. I now can see what others can't. I see a shadow of a person who made that Pokemon appear. The Pokemon appear. Sorry. I believe the Pokemon. I believe the person is me. You're going to help me reach the level. You're going to help me to reach that level. Jeez, I can't talk today. Alright, my whole team is way over leveled. Can we switch? Nope. So either Ampharos gets knocked out, or alright. Let's switch to Rocky and see what Rocky can do. Okay, we have to outspeed it. And it's a crit. Perfect. Another hunter. There we keep it. We're staying. I don't think our potentials are so different, but it seems to have something more than that. So be it. The badge is yours. We received the fog badge. Alright, by having the fog badge, Pokemon up to level 50, including trade Pokemon, will obey you. Also, your Pokemon will be able to use Surf. Here, another thing. I want you to have this too. TM30 is Shadow Ball. Alright. Kai, you did great. Conjuring the corner out of my pure terror. Haha. So guys, that is it for the adventure for today. I hope you had fun, just like I did. So please leave a like, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and hit that bell for notifications to keep up with the channel. And I'm Kai Uzumaki, saying goodbye.